Hi guys, my name is January. Today we have a new character joining the show, joining the champs. It's called the parrot skin. Hooray! It's the new parrot skin. Hooray! Oops, sorry. Continue, please. Alright. He copies whatever I say. Don't say anything, okay? Okay. So, this is a new skin. This is a preview. So I don't have enough green, so I use this green instead for the body. I use yellow and I use orange. So guys, this is it for the video. And now we have 11 pocket champs. So there's actually 33, so I need to make 22 more. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video with this cute creature. Peace out.